Landon, what do you think about this light bar? How perfect the guy got it on there.
It's amazing. I've never seen a light bar fit that good.
Oh my God, light bar heaven, light bars. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a gorgeous 2016 Ram 2500 5.7 liter HEMI 4x4 lifted with a set of 13, or sorry, I started too fresh. 37 1250 20-inch mud terrain tires, or rugged terrain tires. Beautiful truck, nice setup, full exhaust, dual exhaust, soft close bed, blacked out emblems in the front and the back. You take that down, it's a soft close. I put 2 brand new tires on the front, kept the old ones in there in case whoever wants them, do whatever you want with them. Turn it into a tire swing because people love tire swings, right, Landon? Mm-hmm. Caught him playing on the playground right there. Quit playing with yourself, boy. You're the only person on the playground. PDR, paintless dent removal wheels. I think they are. What are they called, Landon? RDR. Red Dirt Road, baby. Red Dirt Road, man. These are a set of 20 by 12 inch Red Dirt Road wheels. Follow the Red Dirt Road. Follow the Red Dirt Road. It's hot out here, so I'm putting my rag on my head. Don't get any ideas. Beautiful setup right here, guys. Really nice setup. 20, 30 seconds, I want to say, of rubber on the front, both sides. And what do you say on the rear? Probably I don't know. Maybe whatever comes brand new on instead of brand new tires. So something 30 seconds, 18 to 20, 30 seconds. I don't know. And on the rear, probably about 50% tread on both sides. Nice setup, really nice tall truck. Here's the Anthony gauge. Anthony, what's up, buddy? I'm 6 foot tall. Standing right up to the mirror. Nice louvered hood, factory louvers. I love that accent on the Rams right there. This is a 6.4 gas motor beast. Nice blacked out front grille with the TRX style marker lights incorporated into the grill. Huge front bumper light bar that's nice and flush. Whoever did this, whoever used to own this truck, props to you, brother. You aligned it perfectly. My OCD is in full-blown nice mode right now. It's nicely lined up with the front bumper. Couldn't have fit any more perfect in there. Whoever did that, hats off to you. I love it. Lanny, you mind popping the hood real quick, buddy? Underside, super nice. It's got some new joints. What does this have? We put new
ball joints, upper and lower.
We put brand new ball joints in this, upper and lowers. So there you are. You can see it greased up and everything. The interior, it's got the nice step rails right here. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Nice seats, no rips. It smells literally brand new in here. 124,000 maintained miles. Headliner's in good shape. Brand new, huge Bluetooth stereo right here with all the extras you can imagine that you gotta have the key on. Landon's got the key. So anywho, but nice brand new head unit. This is a 13 inch or a 14, I don't know, some kind of inch. Power windows and locks. Door jambs are good. Underside of the truck, super nice. There's your drop brackets right there. Just a really, really clean truck. Can't say enough about it. There's the VIN number right there. Power plant. You got a 5.7 liter HEMI. Everything's super, super nice in here. So, yeah, let us know if you guys have any questions. There's the stickers for it. Landon's gonna close her on up and we'll get it ready. There's the front side right there, the wall joint. So thank you, Landon. Yeah, seats are nice. Ram carpets in the front and the rear, and factory booklet right there. Key for the wheels. Show her how the stereo works, Landon. Start her on up. Let's see how she sounds. Back seat's in great shape. It's got the little Ram guards right there. All right, let me hear it, Landon. Landon. Go ahead, Landon. Yeah, sounds beast. All right, thank you, buddy. And we're gonna send the video off, watch Landon drive off, and we're good to go. cut it off for a second because I can't hear myself talk. There we go. So I can talk more. If you guys have any questions, let us know. It's about to downpour in a second. 540-898-3025. This is the 16 Ram 5.7 Hemi 2500. Right, Landon? This is a 2500 5.7. Let me see the key. Yep, there you have it. 2500. Ram 2500. Beautiful truck. Give us a call, 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys are doing great. Take care.